make up to $9,000 a month. Welcome, this is your boy Mr. X. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you guys can make up to $300 a day and make up to $9,000 a month. So this is completely free traffic method, and one thing is this is underground strategy. So I'm going to show you in this video. Before we're going to start this video, make sure you guys must subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and let's start this video. So first is, right now you guys can see I am in SimilarWeb, and I'm going to show you a website today, which website is getting like almost 7 billion visits every single month, and the country rank is number 5. So this is the one of the biggest website in the world right now, in the 5th rank right now, you can see. And if we scroll down, you guys can see this website is getting like 6.5 billion, 6.8, almost 7 billion visits. So this website is getting billions of visits every single month. I'm gonna show you in a second, but before, let's scroll down and you guys can see the top countries. So top countries is first is United States, then Japan, then United Kingdom, then Brazil, and then Canada, and 46% other countries. So this website is getting traffic from all over the world, and like you guys can see, this website is getting like billions of visits every single month. So let's go to this website. This website is known as Twitter. So a lot of you know about twitter.com, and a lot of you have Twitter account, right? So like very few people know about how to promote like affiliate offers with twitter.com, and very few affiliate marketers are using Twitter for affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you how you guys can promote your offer with twitter.com. For that, promoting affiliate offers, make sure do not use your own personal Twitter account. Make sure to create a different account. You guys can see I created an account like Anna Ashley. So I'm going to show you how you guys can promote with twitter.com. But before we go to clickbank.com, and we're going to select a product, right? So for product, you guys can see I'm in the marketplace, and these are the all top products of ClickBank. If I scroll down, so a lot of products, but we're gonna promote number 1 product right now. So this is not the number 1 product, this is an advertisement, and this is the like you guys can see the next beast is here, like from the creators of Venus Factor Research and Java Burn. So these are the creator who created like Java Burn. You guys can see Java Burn is number 2nd offer right now in ClickBank, and this is like T-Burn. These are, I think, very similar offers. You guys can see Java Burn and T-Burn, and we're gonna promote this offer. We make like average $135 in every single sale, and you guys can see only 111 gravity. It means very few people are promoting this, and right now the competition of this product is low. Literally after few weeks, I guarantee without advertisement, this offer will be number 1 offer in ClickBank. Okay, so right now you have a really good opportunity to promote this offer, because right now there is low competition and really high demand will be created in a few weeks. So what we're gonna do, we just simply click promote, and you guys can see this page. Okay, once you see this page, you guys just simply add your ClickBank ID and simply agree this, and simply click generate hop link. So this is your hop link which we're gonna use. Simply copy that, and I'm gonna show you how sales page looks like. So right now you guys can see this is a sales page. It looks like very similar sales page, and the same, like almost same design as Java Burn had. So this is a T-Burn, and Java Burn is known as like coffee burn offer, right? So what we're gonna do, we just simply promote this link. For promote, our next step is we go to like tiny URL to short that link with tiny, and simply make a tiny URL and simply copy that and go back to twitter.com. So make sure you save your tiny URL in your notepad. So once you saved it in Twitter, what we're gonna do, how we're gonna promote our affiliate link with twitter.com. A lot of people don't know, and very few people are promoting affiliate links with twitter.com, and there is a really big opportunity to make money with twitter.com. To start affiliate marketing with twitter.com, we need one free tool. For that tool, we simply go to google.com, and you guys just simply type TweetDeck. Once you type TweetDeck, you guys can see this link, right? TweetDeck.twitter.com, and if you click this, you guys can see this page. So this is like Twitter's own free tool, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna use. And if your Twitter account is login, you guys just simply click like twitter.com, then your account will automatically connect with your login Twitter account. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, so we are promoting like weight loss offer, right? So you guys can see a lot of options, and this is my account is connected with Twitter deck. So you guys can see like search icon, simply click this, and in here first we add quotation, and I'm gonna type I want to lose weight. So you can see I just simply type I want to lose weight, but remember these quotations are very important. Make sure you guys must add these quotations. Okay, once you add it, and I just simply type where I want to lose weight, it means these are very targeted audience which we're gonna target, because these people want to lose weight. I'm gonna simply click enter, and you guys can see these are the tweets right now. So right now you guys can see all the tweets which tweeted like I want to lose weight, I want to lose weight. So all these people simply type all I want to lose weight because of that or that, like etc. But you guys can see like I want to lose weight, healthy, like a lot of like hundreds and thousands of people want to lose weight, and these are very targeted audience. If you like contact them, these guys will buy your offer. And I'm going to show you how like very few people are doing affiliate marketing with twitter.com. That's why you guys can see comment, only one comment, two comment, only one comment. Very few people are doing affiliate marketing. So what we're gonna do, like these are very targeted and specific people, and these people want to lose weight, and these are like finding help, who can help us to lose weight. So what we're gonna do, you guys can see this like comment icon, simply click this, and we just simply paste a comment. You guys can see, say, hey, I saw you said you want to lose weight. I know a good way that's worked for me, and I lost 64 pounds in just 8 weeks without exercise. And this worked for a lot of people in my family. I don't mean to be forward, but if you are interested, watch this secret detailed video and scroll down, and this is our affiliate link, like tiny URL. Once you did this, simply click enter. So it's not showing you the tweet option. So what we're gonna do, you guys can see -16. So we just simply -16 words. So I'm gonna simply minus, I don't mean to be forward. I'm just simply remove this, and right now you guys can see you are able to create a tweet. So make sure you guys simply create a tweet once and copy in your notepad, and make sure paste that same tweet on all of those like tweets. Simply copy like this. Once you tweet this, your tweet is done, and you guys simply go to the next tweet and simply paste the same tweet and simply click tweet. So you guys just simply reply all of these people. You guys are doing retweets, and literally this is the one of the most converted method, and in this way you guys can easily make over $300 every single day. But the main thing is you guys must reply at least 300 to 400 people every single day. It is very easy, you guys. Just simply Ctrl+V, paste every comment, and you guys literally start making money. You guys can see literally it will take like 10 to between 15 to 30 minutes. You guys can easily post like 100 to 200 to 300 retweets in every single day. So with this method, you guys can make up to $300 a day and make up to $9,000 a month with that strategy. But the main thing is you guys must be consistent with this method, and you guys must reply at least 100 to 200 reply every single day on Twitter, and create different Twitter accounts and reply from all these Twitter accounts, and you will start generating sales. It will take time, but you will start generating sales. And if you want to make up to $10,000 to $12,000 per month with really fast way, then make sure to watch this video.